Hello and welcome to the presentation of the new generation of ASO door and gate controls DRICO. In this video you will learn more about the possibilities of the modular design of the DRICO frequency converter control. The central control unit is the R module. The preset parameters allow the controller to be used directly on a wide variety of door and gate types, which is additionally supported by a uniform type-independent user interface. The power spectrum of the control system ranges up to 2.7 kW. As an example of this, a sliding gate is selected here. An essential feature of the DRICO drive controller is its modular design in hardware and software. The power unit, control card, display and all other hardware components are connected via an integrated CAN bus, which enables physical separation of the components and provides additional flexibility. Supplementary modules, such as a separate display, a detached communication interface, external buttons, or a combination of these and other modules are possible. The DRICO controller is equipped with a 32-bit microcontroller. A door or gate is fast and user-friendly put into operation with a DRICO controller. Material protection by continuously variable control of the drive speed is a matter of course and extends the mechanical service life of the door system. Higher speeds can also be achieved by using a DRICO drive controller with a frequency adjustment up to 200 Hz. The resulting dataset of door type, cycle times, operating states and other information can be used to optimize door and gate components and the specification for preventive maintenance. With appropriate equipment of external components, an interactive independent adjustment of the door system can result from a component identification. The modular design is fully developed as a DRICO drive controller can control up to 3 power units, for example for airlock applications. Please contact us for further information. DRICO drive control.